Hi everyone, it's Erin from the Engineering Success Center. Today I'm going to show you a few tips for using Basecamp. The first thing to talk about is the difference between message board and Campfire. I usually use Campfire like instant messaging, so if I were running late to a meeting, I would just quickly write a message in Campfire just to let my group know. It's not really ideal for longer, more detailed topics, and it's not ideal for referring back to later on. If you want to designate a specific sort of message board to a topic, you could use the message board feature. So you would add a message, write sort of an introduction, and then in the comments below, you could discuss the topic. So it's really helpful for organizing your topics and then referring back to later on if you need to further discuss or just remind yourself of what was discussed. Something you can do with your messages is tag them. So say I had a question for my group, I could tag one as a question, and then that way it stands out. So just below the title here, you can see it says question. Another feature that's really useful is ToDos. So I could say create a to-do list. We'll call it test list. And I can add to-dos to the list. So we'll add film Basecamp video as a to-do. You can assign them to certain people. So I'm going to assign this one to myself. And you can select a due date. So let's say this one is due tomorrow. You can add it. And then just next to it, it says who it's assigned to and the date that it's due. So then if you go back to your main page and into schedule, it shows in your calendar things that are coming up. And then I can even check it off here when I'm completed. And it shows here that it's been done. And also you can go down to team activity and see that it's been checked off. Third thing I wanted to show you was how to adjust your notification settings. So you might have already figured this out, but you can go into notifications and turn off the amount of notifications you get. I know that Basecamp sends a lot of email notifications, so I have those turned off. I have it to notify me about everything, but you can also set it to only notify you when someone tags you. And I also have work hours set. So I have Monday through Friday. I'm actually going to add Saturday and Sunday. And I have hours that I'm willing to get notifications. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Stay tuned because we'll be putting out a video talking about the different things you can do with docs and files. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Remember that if you need us, we are in room 107, Monday through Thursday, 2 to 6, and we are virtual Saturdays from 1 to 4. Thanks.